Welcome to PearlsLand Preschool. Today, we are going to talk about early childhood education. Early childhood education is about molding the holistic child, which will eventually form the basis of their lifelong journey. When children are young, they are learning sponges. Every new experience, every new word they learn, every behavior they adopt is an investment in a more fruitful future. Early childhood care and education is more than preparation for primary school. It aims at the holistic development of a child's social, emotional, cognitive, and physical needs in order to build a solid and broad foundation for lifelong learning and well-being. There is a concept of cooperation. Learning how to share, cooperate, take turns, and persevere within a safe learning environment guided by professionals who have the children's best interest at heart. Enthusiasm for lifelong learning. Lessons should be given in a fun and exciting way that will encourage children to be effective learners, and love for education, for reading, learning, discovery, nature takes root only in preschool. Encouraging holistic development. The approach taken to build a strong foundation for a child's emotional, social, physical, and mental development, which will prepare them for a lifetime basis and is a great impact for the children. Finally, confidence and self-esteem. A strong sense of well-being provides children with confidence, optimism, and self-worth esteem, which will encourage children to explore their talents, skills, and internet. Thank you.